In this video, we're going to find the line tangent to a trigonometric function. It says find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f of x equals 1 minus cosecant x at x equals pi over 3. Because I'm going to have to make a tangent line, I need to find y first. So I'm going to go ahead and say f of x, or actually f of pi over 3, so I'll plug in the x value, is going to equal 1 minus cosecant of pi over 3. Which gives me 1 minus, this would be 1 over sine of pi over 3. And I know that sine of pi over 3 is going to be root 3 over 2. So I'm going to write that as 1 minus 1 over root 3 over 2, which is really just 1 minus, if I take the reciprocal of that and multiply it times the top, I get 1 minus 2 over root 3. So I can write that piece. Well, I could probably leave it like so. That'd be fine. Or I could combine it together. Let's combine it together. We can multiply this by root 3 over root 3. And I end up with f of pi over 3 is equal to, this would be 1 minus 2 root 3 over 3 when I rationalize that. Let's find a common denominator here. That would be 3 over 3. So I end up with 3 over 3 minus 2 root 3 over 3. So I end up with 3 minus 2 root 3 over 3 for the y value. So now I'm going to go ahead and say that this coordinate would be pi over 3, comma, 3 minus 2 root 3 over 3. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to find the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to the derivative of 1 minus cosecant x. Well, the derivative of 1 is actually just 0. The derivative of cosecant would be negative cosecant cotangent x. So I end up with negative cosecant x cotangent x, which is really just cosecant x cotangent x. Now I'm going to plug that pi over 3 value in, so I get f prime of pi over 3 is equal to cosecant of pi over 3, cotangent of pi over 3, which is really just 1 over sine pi over 3, times 1 over, well, cotangent would be, 1 over tangent pi over 3. One over sine of pi over 3. So sine of pi over 3 is going to be root 3 over 2. So that's 1 over root 3 over 2 times tangent of pi over 3. So we'll do that up here real quick. Tangent of pi over 3 would be I would take the root 3 over 2, which is sine, divide it by 1/2. And when I divide those, I end up with root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, which will give you just root 3. So this would be times root 3. So that would equal, if I take the reciprocal and multiply, I'd get 2 over root 3 times, this would be root 3 over 1. You can see the root 3's cancel, and I'm left with 2 for the slope. So now I'm going to find the tangent line at pi over 3, comma, 3 minus 2 root 3 over 3. To do that, I'm going to plug in my slope, so I get y equals 2x plus b. Plug in my 3. And I haven't decided. I might actually just go back and use this piece right here instead of using this fraction here. Instead of rationalizing, I'm just going to go back and use this piece. So that's 1 minus 2 over root 3 is equal to 2 times x, which x is pi over 3, plus b. I end up with 1 minus 2 over root 3 equals 2 pi over 3 plus b. When I subtract that across, I will end up with 1 minus 2 over root 3 minus 2 pi over 3 equals b. So I guess what I should do is, I know that this piece right here is actually equal to this. So I'm going to substitute that in. So I'm going to say that 3 minus 2 root 3 over 3 is the same as this piece. So I'd have minus 2 pi over 3. I can combine that together. That's equal to b. So that would be 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 pi. All of that over 3. That's what b is. So my equation would be y equals 2x plus 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 2 pi over 3.